Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing fine. So this is for Pisces September, you versus them. Let's see, it's going to be a collective reading. It's for Sun, Moon, Rising. Let's see what do we have for Pisces for the month of September. Also, if you don't have any particular person in your mind, like you have no name, then we're just going to tap into your potential partner's energy, okay? Okay. Guys, there is a possibility that either your person thinks that you are in a third party situation. So if you are not dating the person that you're talking about and you're dating someone else, then it's a confirmation that this person thinks that you are in a third party situation. And if that is not the case, then I do have a feeling that this person is in a third party situation. Okay, and the overall energy for the September is violet flame activation, master alchemist. Firstly, if I talk about the overall energies, I do see, so there are two things. One is your pituitary gland, okay, and one is your spiritual DNA, okay. Now these two things are not yet activated, so this is something which you need to activate in the month of September, or which is getting activated in the month of September, because I do feel that you are going to be in a very harmonious and in a very healthy energy in the month of September. Okay, you will be in touch with yourself, but also you will be in touch with your creativity. Okay, you will be in touch with your sexuality, with your sensuality. Okay, you will feel on top of the world in the month of September, Pisces. Okay, I do feel that you will be doing really great when it comes to your finances, when it comes to your money. So it's like finding that muse, okay, finding that peace, finding that place which feels like a home to you. That is what I see here. Okay, another thing that I also see is there's a possibility that you might go to mountains, you might want to travel. I see you spending a lot of time with yourself, okay, doing things that you like doing, doing things that you love doing, something that you would you always wanted to explore, learning a new skill, learning a new activity or something like that. So I see you in a very serene space. I see you in that solace moment where you're just having your time, and probably which is why, so this energy is really going to give you a lot of comfort, a lot of peace, and which is why this person may think that you are in a third party situation. Okay, but that is, I don't think that is the case, because you are just surrounded by a lot of divinity in the month of September, Pisces. Okay, you will see that you are a lot of animals are being attracted to you. You will see a lot of animals around you. You will see that good men or good women, good men or good women, someone who is really sensible, someone who is smart, those type of people are going to come to you. They would want to come and sit with you. They would want to come and talk to you. They would want to come and interact with you. Whether it's a romantic interest or not, that is not the case. But it's just that your aura is becoming so beautiful. You are radiating such an auric energy where people will be drawn to you. Okay, so there's some change which is happening in your energy, in yourself also. So that is the thing. Talking about the them energy, I do feel that your person is going to have certain regrets. Okay, this person may feel that they have lost certain opportunities with you. This person may feel that they haven't kind of put a lot of efforts. Okay, or they are going to realize that whatever efforts they have put, it was not enough. So I do see that there's going to be an endless battle, okay, where this person is fighting for something. This person may also contact you with some kind of an argument that, why did you do this with me, why did you do that with me, that kind of energy, again playing very passive kind of an attitude, indirect kind of an attitude. That passive aggression is there in your person. So this is the energy that I see in the month of September. You can expect a communication, you can expect that this person is going to reach out to you, but then at the same time, this person is not really going to fight for the love. This person is not really going to come and express all the lovey-dovey words to you. No, this is not that person. This person is too small. Like, this person's ego is too small to accept something. Okay, they have major ego issues. Okay, and it's like this person, the Pisces is mine. Okay, but I'm not going to show two Pisces that I feel that for her or for him. That is the kind of energy which I am sensing. So this person ends up thinking a lot. This person will end up overthinking, over calculating stuff, not being able to sleep, having anxiety. Even though if this person turns around, this person will understand that solution is right there. This person has a solution, but for that he or she will have to look for the solution, which this person is not doing. This person is just being in that victim mentality, where this person is cribbing about the past and all the lost opportunities and how he or she cannot do anything about it. But that is not the truth. So just know that if this person would have really loved you, this person would have come out of their comfort zone to give you that love, to show you that love, to express you that love. So this is what I see for you. Okay, and also we got the card of Ace of Cups. So for some of you, I do feel that this person might want to make you feel jealous. Okay, why jealous? Because if this person has this insecurity that, oh, maybe Pisces is dating someone, then this person is going to do some cringe stuff. Okay, for example, putting a DP with some opposite gender, doing something of that sort, showing that, oh, I can put this person on pedestal, and oh dear Pisces, I'm over you. This is the kind of energy that this person can play. So you don't have to really act upon it. You just need to continue to focus on your fertility, on your contemplation, whatever you want to generate for yourself, whatever you want to create for yourself. That is the only thing that you need to do. Okay, and along with that, try to do violet flame activation. So this is a meditation which you can also find on YouTube. Okay, you will find a guided meditation on this. But other than that also, even if you don't do any specific meditation, I do feel that your spiritual DNA is getting activated in the month of September, where you are going to end a lot of patterns. Okay, a lot of blockages that has been there. So your DNA is also upgrading as you are trying to upgrade yourself, or whatever kind of inner work that you are doing. So it is going to help you, it is going to give you that benefit. So that was your reading. I hope it helps. See you. Bye bye.